So tonight I am wearing my chef hat to cook some scrambled paneer.
Scrambled paneer. Say it in Hindi.
Bhujak paneer.
Huh?
Burja paneer. I don't remember. Okay, so first you have to start with some ghee.
You're using the wrong. You should not use this one with this pan.
So once the ghee is melted, hot, some cumin seeds. And now we have to wait that they start to crumble.
Huh?
Crumble.
Crumble.
Sparkle. Okay, now it's starting to. Once the is done, we can put our very well chopped onions.
I think you should wait a bit more. Can you smell cumin?
Yeah.
No.
Now we mix. We have to wait for it to become rosé.
Rosé?
As the wine.
Oh, the recipe said that it has to turn rosé.
Yeah, either rosé or sauté, something like that.
You know what is sauté?
Yeah, it's when the onion turns sauté.
Sauté is not a color.
No, it's a behavior.
It's a behavior.
Yeah, the onion is the.
बहुत दूर जाओगे तुम बहुत दूर जाओगे. Very talented, very talented. So they have to turn sauté.
Yeah. The thing is cooked.
So you have to cook them until they become a bit transparent.
Yeah, with less ghee.
You can put ghee afterwards as well on the top.
No.
Yes.
No, that is bad.
That is better actually
Then what?
than burning it on the flame.
Oh yeah. Thing is cooked.
I don't know, you read the recipe.
Recipe says to cook, not when it's cooked. We can add our garlic ginger paste, homemade. And we keep mixing.
You really love mixing, huh? You don't know anything, but you love to mix.
See how is becoming a unique entity. Well chopped tomatoes. Keep mixing until the tomatoes become soft and they become part of the whole universe. We have to add our very famous Indian spices.
I think you should add some water.
Auntie G here suggested to put some water. Rana Ji. Take a little spoon. What is a spoon?
Yeah.
So we have to add red chili.
Oh, wait. Can you take that much red chili?
No.
I don't know, I think it's a lot for you.
A bit of salt. Garam masala.
A bit from the flame.
This.
It's garam masala.
Yeah.
No. Coriander powder.
Oh, but we still need it. So good. I think I'm forgetting one spice.
The green chili.
Oh, the green chili. I forgot one spice.
Turmeric.
Turmeric, right. What is it? The orange one? Turmeric. No?
Can you keep the box away from the heat?
A bit more garam masala. Nah. Look, such a nice paste. Look. Once everything is pasted, looks pasty, we can add our homemade paneer.
Homemade paneer.
I made it before. I milked the cow and then I did all the stuff and then look, it's a homemade.
Look, your nose is getting longer.
It's homemade. Now the paneer should not cook too long.
I would have put some bell peppers in there, some peas.
Hey, the recipe didn't say that. This mess, the recipe said don't mess around. The recipe is not even Indian capsicum.
Capsicum is very Indian.
No, it sounds Mexican. That we're gonna remove from the flame, from the stove. Here we don't have flames. How beautiful it is. So scrambled.
And what is it called?
Scrambled paneer. Bhujiya? Oh. Yeah. What's the name of this thing?
You made it. Tell me.
BHUJI. I told you before. BHUJI.
Paneer bhujiya.
Yeah, paneer bhujiya. Bhujiya?
Yeah, you can also say that.
Like a lie?
Like a lie? What is a lie?
Bhujiya, lie in Italian.